Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Hey, in this video we'll discuss how to fix Chromebook keyboard not working. So with that being said, let's get started. To fix it, first of all, try to restart your Chromebook. For that, click on plug Wi-Fi and battery icon, then click on power button and here click on restart. After that, try to use your keyboard. If you're still facing the issue, then you can simply check for ChromeOS update. For that, click on app launcher icon, open settings. Now here click on about ChromeOS and click on check for updates. If there is any pending update, it will install it. After that, you can check your keyboard whether it's functioning or not. If still it's not working, then you can simply check your input settings. Sometimes you have different keyboard layout, but on settings you have selected different input method. So to fix it, you can simply check your input settings. For that, open settings, click on device, select keyboard and input option. Now scroll down, click on input settings. Now here you can see my input method is selected as English United States. If you have different keyboard layout and you have selected different input method, then you may also face the issue. So to fix it, simply select the correct input method. For that, click on add input method and here you can simply search your keyboard. Like say for example, if you have English Canada keyboard, then you can simply select this option, then click on add. After that, try to use your keyboard. If this method does not work for you, then you can simply troubleshoot your keyboard. For that, simply open Diagnostic application. To open, click on app launcher icon, search for Diagnostic, open it. Then click on keyboard. Now here we have a built-in keyboard option. Simply click on test button and press every single key on your keyboard. If there is any physical damage to your keyboard, then it will mention the keys. Now if you have any physical damage keys, then you can use external keyboard or else you can also use the on-screen keyboard if you have a touchscreen Chromebook. So to enable on-screen keyboard, open settings. Here click on accessibility and here simply click on keyboard and text input and simply turn on-screen keyboard. Now here on the Chromebook shelf, you will find on-screen keyboard icon. You can simply click on it or else you can simply click on the text field and it will open the on-screen keyboard. You can simply use the touch screen or you can type using the mouse. So that's it. This is how you can fix Chromebook keyboard not working. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.